Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best smart wallet kit in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Extra Parlant Men's Wallet RFID Blocking Leather Minimalist Wallet Slim Wallet for Men. Designed for quick card access with push-button, Napa Black. The next generation wallet. This minimalist wallet for men gives you easier access to your cards and comes with built-in RFID data protection to prevent wireless theft. Forget about rummaging through a bifold wallet. By using our patented card ejection mechanism, you can instantly pop out your cards at the click of a button. Sustainable materials. The Extra Parlant Leather Wallet is a men's metal trigger wallet handcrafted from premium top-grain leather, tanned under silver-rated LDG-certified protocols, and 6063 T5 aluminum. Durably designed for daily use, this men's wallet's slim design requires minimal upkeep for a lifetime of use. Slim storage. Store up to 10+ cards, fitting 4 to 6 in the data-protected card holder while keeping a slim profile. You can also store extras in the cash strap and additional hidden pockets. Number 4. Buffweight Slim Minimalist Front Pocket RFID Blocking Leather Wallets for Men/Women, Alaska Yellow. This smart wallet from Buffweight is perfect for everyday use. Not only is it offered in all the colors you could ever want, but it's made from pure leather and comes at an extremely affordable price. Our pros like that it's slim while still offering enough storage for several credit cards, and that it features RFID blocking technology. Unlike other smart wallets, it also contains a built-in ID window, so you don't have to struggle to pull out your license. There's also a handy cutout in the front to make removing your most used card from its slot a breeze. Alloy small, slim, and discreet. Measuring just 3 1/8 x 4 7/16 x 1/9. Our RFID front pocket slim wallet is super thin and modernly slim. It's the minimalist wallet that fits perfectly in your pocket, purse, or travel pack. Plenty of room. 8 slots easily load your driver's license, credit cards, debit cards, and membership cards, making your work and travel more convenient. Number 3. The Ridge Minimalist Slim Wallet for Men. RFID blocking front pocket credit card holder, aluminum metal small men's wallets with cash strap, black. Lifetime guarantee. We chose our military-grade materials for their durability and in turn created a wallet that'll last a lifetime, guaranteed. If you ever feel your wallet isn't functioning properly, you can make a claim and we'll do our best to make it right. This includes the replacements of elastic, screws, money clip, and cash strap plate. Each purchase of the Ridge is just the beginning of many years of you carrying a better wallet. RFID BLOKK. Breathe easy because your cards will be surrounded by the metal body of this wallet, protecting them from even the most powerful RFID chip readers. Functional and slim. Holds 1 to 12 cards without stretching out. The slim wallet is ideal for carrying business cards, credit and debit cards, bills, etc. The outside notch allows you to push out the cards easily. Number 2. Troy Van Dio Men's Slim Wallet with Money Clip AUS10 RFID Blocking Bifold Credit Card Holder for Men with Gift Box. While this smart wallet may not be made of real leather, it's still chic and a great value, hence why it's an Amazon bestseller. It offers multiple card slots and RFID blocking, and it even comes in gift packaging, so it's an easy present for special occasions and holidays. We like that there's an ID window and easy storage for bills with an integrated money clip. It may not be the most minimalist pick on this list, but it's a great choice for anyone who wants enough space to store their items without added bulk. If you like to use an AirTag to track your stuff, you can upgrade to the brand's AirTag wallet that has a built-in pocket for it. I am coming from a minimalist non-folding wallet, and this is much thicker even if it wasn't folding, so I dispute the slim claim. Number 1. Leather Wallet with Stealth Pocket Top Brain Leather Bifold RFID Blocking 8 to 16 card capacity Bill Divider ID Window Hidden Pocket, compatible with Apple AirTag, black. Ultimate Bifold Wallet for Men in 2023. Wallet includes 2 built-in holders for AirTag with strong flat snaps, 2 bill compartments, 100+ note capacity, 6 horizontal credit card slots, 6 to 12 card capacity, 2 vertical pockets, extra 2 to 4 card capacity, ID window with thumb slot, RFID blocking layer, gift-ready box. Total capacity 8 to 16 cards, 1 or 2 cards per slot/pocket. Measurements. 3.7 LX4 WX0.3H, 100% leather outer and lining. AirTag not included, 100% ethically sourced cowhide leather. Top grain leather's soft surface and grain texture provides generous grip, resists water, cleans easily, and is a wonderful material thanks to the presence of natural